bacon jam. Sticky, sweet and smoky, and it'll take any burger to the next level. We'll start by dicing onions. White and yellow work fine, but I'm using red to give the jam a nice deep colour. Next, peel and finely dice a couple of garlic cloves. Then we're going to de-seed and chop some red chillies, nice and small, just enough heat without overpowering. Now slice up the streaky bacon into thin strips, or lardons if you prefer. Without any additional oil, we're going to fry this bacon until just crisp and plenty of fat is rendered out. Then lift the bacon out of the pan and keep about 2 tablespoons of fat in the pan, so we'll use that to cook the rest of the ingredients. Straight in with the onions, fry for about 5 minutes, and then we're going to add the garlic and chilies. Cook until the onions turn a light golden brown. Then back into the pan goes the bacon, give it a good stir, and then we'll go in with the sugar and the balsamic vinegar. Be careful with the vinegar though, the fumes can catch you off guard and make you cough like crazy. We're going to let this simmer gently and give it the odd stir here and there, and then the liquid is going to reduce and thicken, and then you see this lovely jam coming together. Now you can use it straight away or cool it down and refrigerate it. It'll easily last about 4 weeks in the fridge, and then just reheat it in a pan or a microwave when you're ready to go. And there you have it. A generous spoonful of bacon jam turns any burger into something seriously special. You're going to love this, guys.